In the past 2 years, over 400,000 people across tech roles have been laid off. Even data science wasn't spared. But should this discourage you from pursuing a career in data science? Definitely not. Let's zoom out and take a look at the bigger picture. Yes, data science was impacted by layoffs, but only a small percentage of those affected were data scientists. By comparison, roles in HR, recruiting, and software engineering faced even higher cuts. The market may still be adjusting, but this makes it an ideal time to start building your data science skill set. Why? Because companies are investing in data for smarter decision-making, and they'll need skilled professionals to do it. At its core, a data scientist turns data into actionable insights, helping businesses succeed. This involves several key steps: data collection, processing, exploratory data analysis, feature engineering, model development, and deployment. Think of each of these as puzzle pieces, with each step critical to bringing the bigger picture into focus. Now let's look at the different career paths within data science. There's more than just the data scientist title. You could be a data analyst, machine learning engineer, AI specialist, data engineer, and more. Before committing to a specific path, take time to research each role and see what matches your interests and skills. If you're interested in building models, for example, machine learning could be your best fit. If you enjoy making sense of data without heavy coding, consider data analysis. Now let's build your roadmap to becoming a data scientist. We'll start with 2 core skills: statistics and machine learning. These aren't just buzzwords, they're the foundation of data science. Start with statistics. Learn about descriptive and inferential statistics, probability, and hypothesis testing. For machine learning, focus on basic algorithms like linear and logistic regression, decision trees, and neural networks. Once you understand the basics of statistics and machine learning, it's time to learn how to apply them with coding. Start with Python for data manipulation and analysis, using libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and scikit-learn. SQL is also essential for querying databases, as it lets you access and filter data efficiently. Next up, familiarize yourself with tools like Jupyter Notebooks and Google Colab for your data science work. You'll also need to know Git for version control, which allows you to track changes in your code and collaborate with other developers. With your skills developing, focus on specific roles you're interested in. Check out job descriptions on LinkedIn or career sites for the skills and qualifications they require. Tailor your learning to these expectations and use LinkedIn to study profiles of people already working in these roles to better understand what you need to learn. And there you have it, a complete roadmap to kickstarting your data science journey in 2025. Data science isn't just a career, it's a field that's shaping the future. And with the right support, it's not only possible, but incredibly rewarding. Ready to take the next step? Whether you're just beginning or looking to elevate your career, NetTech India's best data science certification course in Mumbai is crafted to make your learning journey both powerful and accessible. With hands-on mentorship, structured guidance, and a 100% placement guarantee, we equip you with everything you need to thrive in this competitive field. Start today and transform your passion for data into a high-impact career. Shape the future of data with confidence and guaranteed success. If you found this roadmap helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share with others taking their first steps in data science. Let's build the future together and go from zero to hired.